Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 226, invert binary tree. We're given the root of a binary tree and we need to invert the tree and return its root. So it's quite a simple problem. For each node, we swap the right and left nodes with each other, so we get a totally inverted tree. And we're given two examples and some constraints. So hopping straight into the code, we'll be using a depth first search approach. So let's create our depth first search function. One of the parameters will be root, and we'll say if we've surpassed and we've passed the leaf nodes, we'll just say return. We don't need to return anything, we can just return like that. Then we'll swap the left and right nodes with each other. Left, and then we'll run depth first search on our left and right subtrees. And then we can call depth first search on our root, and then return our root. So let's run our code. Let's submit our code. We passed all 77 test cases. So in terms of time complexity, we're looking at an O of n time complexity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.